Everyone, this is Steve Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Dawn Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. Hindi pa nag-perform si Bell, no? Kahapon. Ang alam ko, wala pa siyang performance eh. Grabe ka sa akin. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Ay, binabakuran. Bakod na bakod talaga. Suffer. Actually, hindi na kailangan bakuran eh. Bakit naman babakuran kung pagmamayari niya na? Di ba ma'am? Bakit kailangan pagbakuran kung pagmamayari naman? Di ba? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Si Robbie. Si Robbie talaga yung pambansang wingman natin. Thanks to Robbie. Thanks to Papa Robbie. Hindi Daddy Rob ha? Hindi Daddy Rob. Ay ano to? Sorry Belle. Bakit? Alam, tungkol din doon. Ganda din ni ate girl eh. In fairness, ganda din ni ate girl. Face card din ni ate girl never disappoints eh. Sa totoo lang. Saan si Belle? Hindi ko makita. Ayun pala sila magkadikit. Kadikit naman pala ang mag-jowa. Tsari. Basta masaya na tayo dito sa mga ganito-ganito. Ah, charis, di ba?
Alam mo natin na parang buwag na rin ang kanilang love team kasi
Ano na
dahil
naman to?
sa, di ba, nagprotesto sila dati ay parang they're really scared na may
Ay,
iwalay sila. Lulungkot
si
na
Kuya
lulungkot yung
Jopper.
nila. Pero a lot of sources told us
Mm.
na never naman daw talaga naging close si Donnie Pangilinan at si Belle Mariano.
May your soul rest in peace too.
Parang napilitan na sila na
Ay, ito. Ay, hala, ba't parang sanay na sanay talaga sila dyan? Di ba? Bel, sa'yo lahat yan. Huwag ka na matakot, Bel. Kung gusto mo, ako na lang dyan. Tabi, ako na. Charis. Bel, tabi, ako na. Kaya ko na yan. Sige na, Bel. Hello, ba't parang totoo talaga? Pinapanood ko din. Ay, hindi ko pa napanood yun kahapon. Ang cute ni Donnie, no? Pag mag-act talaga si Donnie na parang baby, sobrang cute niya. Ay. Hindi magsasawa. Magbe-mix muna ako kasi medyo masama pakiramdam ko. Eh, ano yun? Endgame. Grabe naman, napaka-sexy naman nun. Super sexy naman. Ala, sa'yo lahat yan, Bel. Ay, sa'yo, madami pa tayong gagawin. Sa'yo lahat talaga yan. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, Bel. Tony, sa'yo lang yung lahat, ni Bel. Ayoko na lang mag-talk. Ay, ano to? Sali ako. Ako din, sali ako. Sali ako, dali.
Ikaw lang at teka.
Okay.
Para sa inyo talaga itong next performance natin na concert hit from this generation's chart-topping singer and songwriter, Australia. Get ready for Mahi!
Daghang salamat mga Cebuano.
Ay,
Mahal namin kayo, Cebu.
Thank you, Cebu.
Mwah.
sarila. Sila sa kira. Ay, literally, Dawn Bell are puppy. Whoa. Dora. Wala ba silang interview dito? Wait lang, Dawn Bell interview. Tingnan nga natin. kung ano yung mga lalabas sa Don Bell interview. Parang ang tagal ko lang hindi nakakakita ng mga interview nila eh. Ay, ito. Sana medyo, ay, ito mahaba.
Wow, specific.
Yeah, kasi it's always been my interest or preschool teacher.
Kasi, kaya pala parang baby girl siya kasi gusto niya maging preschool teacher.
Ako naman po, nagbebenta kasi ako ng ice candy nung bata ako. Tsaka load. So, yung dream ko talaga magkaroon ng isang business paglaki ko. So, businessman.
Businessman.
And sideline, track and field. Track and field athlete, yes.
Ako naman po, siguro, I would have wanted to be at the World Cup.
Ay, taray.
World Cup. That was my
Viva
dream.
España.
First dream was to be a football player. After po nun, gusto ko maging piloto. And I think
Piloto.
makakatutupad ko pa rin sana po yung pangarap ko.
Oo naman. Oo naman, Kyle. Ang bait din, Kyle. Ay, bakit walang sound?
I did find someone who was my teammate.
Diyos ko, ito yung mga
I
panahon
did
bigat
find
na bigat.
someone who
React
you know,
lang
I
ako
can be
dito.
myself
Smile lang, pero
with.
ang bigat-bigat.
Did you mistake it for love at one point?
Ayan.
I don't think it was a mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to say anything?
Ayan.
Napapaisip kami.
Ba't parang naghihintayan? Ba't parang
I
naghihintayan
find what we
sila?
have really genuine, don't you?
Yeah.
What we really have is special. Up to
Nakikita
this
naman
day
namin
on,
yun, Bel.
I
Nakikita namin
continuously
yun.
say that. You know, he's my soulmate, I would say.
Yeah. And we both looked at each other like, basta tayo, okay tayo.
And that's
Kakampi
the
tayo
most
dito.
important
Yeah.
thing. Even if you had announced already that this is going to be your last project, you're still there. And they understand.
Just the respect, I would say, we have for one another and the love we have for one another.
Nakikita talaga. Do you think you would have found yourselves if it weren't for each other, being present in your lives?
We ask this a lot, because if you look at it, even in an office, if two people meet there and then they end up having a relationship or they end up forming some sort of bond, would that have happened if it was in a different place,
Diba?
diba? Because that's
I
how we
ask
see
him
it.
this all the time.
Why do you ask him that all the time?
Well, parang ano lang, syempre,
I know.
yun nga, we get lost sometimes.
We
Like,
get lost
I don't
sometimes.
want to see ourselves how people perceive us. So, parang, since what we have is really genuine, I think we've gotten to that point that we're really comfortable with each other asking those uncomfortable questions. And this is the most healthiest we've been, talaga. I would say.
I love you. Alam niyo ba talaga? I love you too, thank you.
I love you too.
Reconsider your
Ay.
decision now that with the
Ay,
overall
napanood ko na to. Anyway, so December part of the video from Don Bell. This is Evo Plus and see you on my next vlog. Bye.